What if, in just 90 days, you could reshape yourself, mentally, physically, and spiritually, not by motivation, but by extreme discipline? 400 years ago, Miyamoto Musashi, a poor orphan, became Japan's most feared samurai and a timeless philosopher. How? By following a brutal yet beautiful system, the 5 rings. These aren't rules, they're weapons forged in solitude. If you live them for 90 days, you'll no longer recognize the person you were before. Ring 1. Earth Ring. Brutal self-assessment. Real discipline begins when lies end. Musashi said, "Know the smallest things and the biggest things." For 3 days, write everything: your focus time, breaks, distractions, excuses. You'll discover the truth. It's not time you lack, it's focus. Most people work 3 real hours and waste the rest pretending. Musashi vanished into the mountains for 2 winters to study his weaknesses after becoming Japan's top swordsman. That's how mastery is built. Go silent. Track everything. Face your truth. Discipline begins where denial ends. Ring 2. Water Ring. Discipline of 1,000 cuts. Water doesn't fight the stone. It shapes it, drop by drop. Your old self will resist change. Don't argue with it. Outsmart it. If your mind says run 10 minutes, go 12. If it says study 1 chapter, read 2 pages more. Tiny daily cuts weaken the old identity. And stay flexible. Missed your morning? Don't quit the day. Stack 3 power moves back to back. Consistency beats perfection. Now, cut 2 habits that drain your life: doom scrolling, gossip, or late-night laziness. Slice them clean. 2 weeks later, you'll feel momentum roar. Ring 3. Fire Ring. Use anger as fuel. Every warrior meets the demon of comparison. Most burn themselves in jealousy. The samurai burns his weakness. When you see someone ahead, don't shrink. Say, "Good, proof it can be done." Then attack your own limits. Musashi lost his parents as a child. Instead of collapsing, he trained 14 hours a day, turning rage into rhythm. When frustration hits, say, "I'm not behind, I'm in battle." Then act, right now. Emotion stays the same, only direction changes. That's real power. Ring 4. Wind Ring. Humility in victory. The moment you start winning, ego arrives dressed as confidence. It whispers, "You've done enough." That's the trap. Musashi warned, know your enemy, know his sword. Ego is your silent enemy. Pride is its weapon. Stay a student. See the good in others' methods. Learn, adapt, refine. Choose solitude over mediocrity. Average hides in comfort. Greatness hides in discipline. Ring 5. Void Ring. Discipline never ends. After 50 duels and 37 years of mastery, Musashi said, "I do not know the way." Because true discipline has no finish line. When effort becomes as natural as breathing, you stop forcing and start flowing. Each new challenge reveals a deeper layer of your mind. Here's the cycle. Start. Stay consistent. Fight doubt. Control ego. Repeat forever. Discipline isn't punishment, it's self-respect in motion. And when you accept that, transformation becomes inevitable. CTA, Call to Action. If Musashi's code inspired you, start your own 90-day discipline challenge today. Begin tonight with Earth Ring. Write your truth. Before you leave, subscribe to the channel. The next episode explores the 5 pillars of Brahmacharya, mastering your energy. Your focus is your sword. Your discipline is your destiny. Himat, Harkat, Hoshiari. We will win.